everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are Softtrix, a digital marketing agency with over 15 years of experience in helping businesses scale their Google Ads. In today's case study, we will be sharing how we have helped an e-commerce brand significantly boost its revenue and achieve a strong ROAS by restructuring their campaigns and implementing the data-driven strategies. Our client is a sports and wellness nutrition brand specializing in high quality supplements, protein powders and the wellness products. They have reached out to us after being disappointed with their previous agency's performance. If you are struggling to generate consistent sales through the Google Ads, this case study will provide valuable insights into what worked for this business, so stay tuned. The client was facing major challenges with their Google AdWords campaign, primarily due to a lack of focus on the right campaign types. Their account was not optimized for e-commerce as there was no shopping campaigns in place, and their merchant center had multiple issues that were preventing the products from being approved and displayed properly. Additionally, conversion tracking was not set up correctly, making it difficult to measure actual sales performance. Another key issue was the absence of audience testing, meaning the campaigns were not effectively reaching the most relevant potential buyers. Without a proper structure, the ad spend was not being utilized efficiently, leading to high costs and inconsistent sales. Our first priority was to establish a strong shopping strategy, as this is a crucial component for any e-commerce business. We have fixed the merchant center issues, ensuring all product listings were approved and optimized for visibility. At the same time, we have resolved the conversion tracking errors so that every transaction was accurately recorded, allowing us to make the data-driven optimizations. Once the foundation was set, we have launched the Performance Max campaign with a strategic approach to the asset groups and the audience segmentation. We have tested different structures, including the asset groups without assets or the targeting, which allowed Google's AI to optimize the placements freely. We have also set up the asset groups with the remarketing audiences, incorporating strong discount-based messaging in the headline to re-engage the previous visitors. Additionally, we have created the asset groups targeting brand name keywords in the search themes, as well as the another group targeting the competitor websites, helping us capture potential customers who were already considering similar products. Alongside the PMAX, we have tested out dedicated brand campaign to reinforce the visibility among existing customers and a remarketing campaign to re-engage users who had previously interacted with the website but had not completed a purchase. By implementing a well-structured shopping strategy and keep optimizing the campaign, we were able to drive exceptional results. In just 1 month, we have helped the business generate approximately $143,000 in terms of revenue while achieving a remarkable 9.32 ROAS. This transformation highlights the importance of proper campaign structuring, audience testing, and the data-driven decision making in the e-commerce advertising. If you have running the campaign in the similar niche, you can contact us for the free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. You can just share with us the PPC account access. We will be able to do the audit. The audit will of course be free of cost, and then we can let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any campaign running, then just share with us some basic information like the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. We will be able to do the research, and then we can get back with the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.